Here's an easy way to get screen grabs of the whole screen or even just parts of the screen if you are on a PC. On my keyboard, I'm going to press Shift, Windows, and S. Then I'm going to have this little menu come up. Snip is going to be a portion of your screen. It's not going to be the whole thing. So you can select a rectangular snip, a freeform snip, a window snip, or the full screen. So if I want just my Bitmoji classroom copied, so I can post on Facebook about how cool I am, that just got copied. If I Shift Windows S, I could also select, I just want my Bitmoji because it's cool, get those waves in there. Then I just copied that little snip and I could then paste it. If I Windows Shift S, it's going to do the window. This one's going to do the whole screen. And I can save the picture, I can paste the picture, I can pretty much do what I want.